Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, you know that.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry, can you present?
Okay, wait. You know that today section A and section B both have been clubbed together for your class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all of you know. So one by one, I'm going to ask you in which section you are, and then I'm going to mark your attendance. Fine? Aradhya Singh is in which section? Aradhya Singh is in which?
I am in A section.
Okay.
Ma'am, A.
Aradhya is in A. Then Shaurya Tyagi is in?
I am in B section.
Then we have Mubashishra.
Ma'am, Agar Pratap Singh present.
Good. Parmeet Singh is in which section?
Ma'am, in A.
All right. Mitansh Patel is also in A. Right? Alankrita Yadav. Alankrita Yadav is in which section? B. Okay.
Ashri Agarwal present, ma'am.
Ashray Agarwal. Okay. Stuti is in which section?
Good morning.
Alankrita Yadav is in which section? She is in B. Okay. Panchul Mishra, A. Ansh Patel. Ansh is in which
Ma'am,
section?
I am third B. I am in third B, Panchul Mishra.
Panchul Mishra is in third B. Ansh Patel is where? Ansh Patel is in which section? Okay.
Apni Singh is A section.
All right. Akhya Goyal.
Ma'am, I am in third B.
All right. Then we have Akshadha Tiwari.
Ma'am, third B.
Yuvraj Nagar. Alak Pratap is in A section. Then Yuvraj Nagar is in which section?
Very succulent.
Let's
Let's just eat this. Start eating.
Whose mic is on, children? In which section is Jaskaran?
Ma'am, Amni Singh was third section A.
Jaskaran Singh.
Third Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
क्वेश्चन आंसर छूट गया.
Beta, put your mic off. Vineet Singh is in which section? Hurry up and tell.
Ma'am, third A.
Third A. All right.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Mittal.
You are? Okay. Akshaj. Akshaj, in which class are you? A or B?
Ma'am.
B. All right.
Good morning, ma'am. Mokshi Mishra present. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Mokshit Mishra is in which
Mama,
section?
आपका फोन लेके जाओगी?
put your mic off. Arav Gupta.
Ma'am, I am in third B.
Okay. Arav Gupta, put your mic off. Arav Gupta is in which section?
Ma'am, I am in B section.
Ma'am, I am A.
Wait. Arav Gupta is in B section. Okay. And Harsh Patel is in which section?
Ma'am, A.
All right. Then Arpit is in which section?
Ma'am, third A.
Abhineet. Abhineet is in which section?
Ma'am, third A.
Third A. And what about Manas? Manas and Ashutosh.
Ma'am, Ashutosh. Ma'am, I am third B. Ma'am, I am third B.
And what-
Manasgarh.
And what about Ashutosh? Third B. Ashutosh is also in third B. Okay. All right. Now, children, let's begin our class. Yatharth Singh. Yatharth is in which section? Yatharth Singh is in which class?
Ma'am, third A. Section A.
Palvini. All right. Palvini Ahuja, section A. Then Vedanshu. Then we have Vedanshu in section B. Okay. Children, I have tried to mark all of you, but there are still so many students. All right. So today what we are going to learn. What are you going to learn today, children? Any guesses?
Ma'am, comprehension.
Yes, comprehension. What in comprehension are we going to do? Tell me. We are
First, give a story, then we will answer the question.
No. I am not going to give you any story today. I'm not giving you any story. I will be doing antonyms with you. Now, what are antonyms? Can you tell?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, but
Ma'am,
the word different, opposite in meaning to another word.
Yes, very nice.
A word opposite in meaning to different words.
A word opposite in meaning to another is called antonym.
तू क्यों खोल के दे रही है?
Very nice. Now open. Everybody, I can see all of your mute buttons on, but still there is a little sound in the class. I think there are 2-3 students who have not muted themselves. So first of all,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, which class? Ma'am, which subject you are, sir?
children. All right. This is your Neha Pahwa ma'am, and I will be taking your English comprehension. I have had one
Ma'am,
period
English
with
subject.
English comprehension. I have already taken one class in third B. Now, today it's my first day with third A students. I will be teaching
Okay,
you
ma'am.
English comprehension. And in English comprehension, we are going to learn a lot of things, lot of interesting things. It could be stories, it could be antonyms, it could be synonyms, it could be phrases, expressions, anything. Okay? So last time with third B, I did a few antonyms, and I'm going to do the same with class 3A. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Very nice.
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice. Now
Okay,
listen. Shh, be quiet. Now everybody take your which copies. Now your question will be, ma'am, we have to do it in which copy? So you have to do it in your language copies. You have your English language copies? Do you have them?
I am in new.
All right.
Literature.
English language. It's English language. Now, if you want to make,
No, ma'am.
New comprehension section A.
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, but
For
I have,
section A.
what section?
ma'am, but
One by one.
no.
Classes for section A.
Be quiet. First of all, I am just talking to Manas Garg right now. Rest everybody put your mute buttons off. Just mute yourselves. Araf Gupta, I'm going to talk to you after. Ansh Patel, wait, I'm talking to Manas Garg.
Okay,
Your
ma'am.
turn. You just have to raise your hands if you want to talk to me. First, let me finish. Yes, Manas, what are you saying?
Ma'am, but English language copy is not here, ma'am, but English grammar book is here.
Okay, you have not made any English language copy?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
All
but book may.
Okay, you do it in the book only.
Ma'am, I also.
Okay, wait. Now, what you can do is either you can make a new copy or you can do it in your literature copy. You can divide your literature copy and half of it can be done for English comprehension. Okay? So, next
Okay,
now,
ma'am.
who raised hand? Who raised hand?
Karan Singh Taneja.
Yes. Tell beta, Jaskaran and Mokshit. What is your query?
Ma'am, can I make
Yes.
this copy?
Which is
Make
this copy? Which is this copy? Yes, you can write in this copy. You can write in this
ma'am.
copy. Now, Mokshit, you want to ask some question? Do you have any question in your mind? Mokshit, I cannot hear you. You are just not audible.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Beta, wait, I'm talking to Mokshit first. Let him finish.
I make copy for.
Okay, you made a new copy. It's fine. Now, next, Vikas Rathod.
Comprehension, so I. Ma'am, we have to make new copy.
Either you can make a new copy if you have, and if you don't have, you can just divide any English copy of yours.
sir.
You can divide a copy. You know how to divide it? Keep first half for that subject and the second half for comprehension. If suppose you have made your literature copies, you can make rest of the half copy for your comprehension.
English language copy.
Now children, see, I have made it very clear. If you want to make a new copy, you can make a new copy, or you can do it in any old copy, but all you need to do is you just need to divide your copy. See, divide it like this.
Copy.
With a copy. It should be a notebook. It should not be any book. I think it's a book in your hand. Do you have any copy where you write answers? Okay. So, everybody is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't have a copy, if you don't have a copy, children, it's okay. We can just do this class orally. You can write it in your next class. Be prepared with your copy in your next class. Or you can just take a rough page and write it there. You can take a rough page, write it there. You can do it in your rough copy right now if you do not have a fair copy. Clear?
Ma'am, which we want to take out?
No, you don't have to take out any page. I am going to tell you what we are doing. Okay?
Ma'am, I have English language copy.
Do you have any English language copy?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't, ma'am.
This is our copy.
I have made the English literature
No,
copy.
ma'am, but I will make.
Yes, you can make a new copy. If you don't have it, you can make a new copy. Just don't worry about it. Now let's get started with our class. What we are going to do?
Antonium. Antonium.
Antonyms. No, we are going to do antonyms.
Comprehension copy. Book.
This is a book, beta. You have to do it in a copy.
Good morning.
You have to do it in a copy. So the first word that we are going to do is antonyms are words with opposite meanings. Suppose I say good. So what is the antonym of good? Bad. Suppose I say up. What is the antonym of up? Down.
Down.
These easy antonyms all of us know: good, bad, up, down, day, night, fat, thin. But since we are growing big, let's learn some bigger words. Let's learn some words with more difficulty. Now, the first word is above. What is the word?
Below.
Above.
Below.
Yes.
Below.
Class.
And we have to write below.
Yes, you can
Ma'am,
write. I will.
Ma'am, write down copy.
Yes.
Ma'am, but I have written.
Beta, third B students, listen. Now third B students are going to sit quietly till third A students will write these few words. Third B students, you have already had a class with me. That is why you know all the words and you have written all the words, right? Now let 3A students write these words. The first word is above. What is the antonym of above? Everybody speak.
Below.
You can type in the chat box.
Below.
What you will do is, everybody will type in the chat box. Let me see how many children type in the chat box. What is the antonym of above? Yes. Suprema Yadav, Aradhya, Pratyaksh, Aradhya Singh, Kanishk Yadav.
They are showing you as a kind of a result. But don't worry, this file is completely black and white. You will find everything either in black or in white. It will not be colorful.
Ma'am, we should write our copy.
Yes, if you have a copy, write it in your copy.
Ma'am, what is next word?
Otherwise, it will be difficult.
Do this.
Now,
Copy.
That is why I'm saying for the beginners.
Everybody has written the word in your copies.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. The next
Ma'am.
word, yes, say.
Ma'am, but I have written. Ma'am, but I have written in a copy.
Yes, very nice. You have already written in a
This
copy.
word.
Good.
This word I have all.
Now the next word is achieve. When you achieve something, achieve is when you get something. And what is the antonym? Yes, beta.
Fail.
Yes.
This was third students are writing. Ma'am, I don't know. This was third students are writing. Ma'am,
I can't see it.
ma'am,
I,
do this.
Ashray, are you from third B? Ashray, are you from third B?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you have already written. You have already written these words because I had a class with you. Now
Okay,
it's
ma'am.
third A student, so I'm repeating this work so that both of you, both the sections go side by side, go on the same pace.
Ma'am, third student not write this work.
No, third A students have not done this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Beta. Because this is the problem.
You have to do it in your copy. Fine. If you don't have a fair copy, do it in the rough right now.
Ma'am,
and
what is
later-
the? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Beta.
Ma'am,
say.
what is the antonym of achieve?
Fail.
Ma'am, we should write also these words.
Or what is the antonym of achieve? It's fail. And you have to write all these words in your copy.
Written है हमारा.
Fine?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have these all the words written in your copy, ma'am. Ma'am,
Beta, I know third B
first
students
class
have
I
written
have
these.
written.
Now see, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mute all of you because again and again you are speaking the same thing. I know third B students have done this work. This is for third A students that I am making them do the work. All you need to do is you just need to answer. If I'll ask a word, third B students can just answer the word. Don't tell me again and again, ma'am, I have done this work, I have done this work. I know third B has done this work. Clear to everybody now? Now
Yes,
all
ma'am.
students are going to keep quiet. Nobody is going to put their mics on. And whatever answer you will give in the chat box. Nobody is going to put the mic on. Make it very clear. Whatever you want to ask me, type in the chat box. Then the next word is achieve. What is the spelling of achieve? A-C-H-I-E-V-E. What is the spelling? A-C-H-I-E-V-E. And what is the antonym of achieve? That's fail. Then the next word is add. A-double-D. Add. Now you daily do it in your mathematics class. You keep adding and then you keep subtracting. So what is the antonym of add? Hurry up and type in the chat box and show me.
Ma'am, subtract.
Very good. But why did you put the mic on?
Ma'am, what is antonym of subtract?
Add and subtract. It's add and subtract.
Okay, ma'am.
Jathat Singh, beta, put your mic off.
Okay, ma'am.
Then the next word is blunt. Blunt, when your sharpeners become blunt, when the knives and the blades become blunt. Blunt is what? Opposite of sharp. Blunt, sharp. Again, I can hear Yatharth speaking. His mic is going on again and again. written? All these words: above, below, achieve, fail, add, subtract, blunt, and sharp.
Ma'am, I have written.
Good.
Ma'am, what is the antonym of cheap?
What is the antonym of
Cheap.
jeep?
Yes.
What is the
Ma'am,
word,
there is
beta?
CHEEP.
Type in the chat box. I can't understand it.
I think he is saying cheap.
Cheap. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Cheap. Cheap is something which has got less value. So what is the antonym? Something that has got a lot of value, that is expensive. Cheap, something that is cheap, and something that is expensive. And if you are asking deep,
Ma'am, number 5.
number 5 is deep. Deep, what is deep? Okay, children, I'm typing the next word, that is deep and shallow. Deep and shallow. Everybody has written these 5 words.
Ma'am, the class will over at 9:30.
Yes, it will get over at 9:30. Why, Abhineet Singh? What happened? You don't want to study? Then the next word we have is hard. Something that is hard.
वो ऐसे लिखा रहता है ना डिलीमिटेड.
Hard and soft. I have typed in the chat box, children. You can see from there. Hard and soft.
Who is this?
Hard and soft.
See what is 7 is Q, E, G, SN, and 3. Something like that. The child was not written the D. Sorry, I'm sorry. What beta? We have to write the temperature given. We have to write the question. Yes, beta. You have to write all this.
Shaurya Tyagi, your mic is on.
Who is this?
Shaurya Tyagi, there is some class going on with Maria ma'am also.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is taking that class?
And my brother is also taking that class only. It is Shalini ma'am.
Okay, that's Shalini ma'am. All right. So next word that we have is clean. Now everybody, I'm sure you know the meaning of, you know the antonym of clean. Your clothes are clean and your clothes are
Dirty.
very nice.
Dirty.
Children, what is the spelling of dirty?
D-I-R-T-Y.
Yes.
D-I-R-T-Y.
D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Then
D-I-R-T-Y.
D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty.
dirty. Good.
D-I-R-T-Y. I-R-T-Y. Ma'am, dirty.
The next word is cheap. What is the antonym of cheap? expensive. Now children, what is the spellings of expensive? It's not
EXPENSIVE.
It's
EXPENSIVE.
not
EXPENSIVE.
expensive. Very simple. Very good. Very nice. Very nice.
EXPENSIVE.
Good. Then next we have. Next, what do we have? Everybody has written till here? Then we have cool. Cool. What is the antonym of cool? Warm. Cool breeze and warm breeze.
Warm.
Yes, cool and warm. Everybody has written till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good. Then the last one that we have is easy. What is the antonym of easy?
Difficult. DIFFICULT. Difficult.
Yes, it's difficult. Something that is very easy and something that is very difficult.
DIFFICULT.
So today's class was very easy. It wasn't a difficult class, was it?
Easy.
Yes, today's class was easy. How many say it was difficult? Is there anybody who would call it a difficult class?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now, let's revise these words.
No, ma'am.
What is the antonym of clean?
Dirty. 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 Dirty.
What is the antonym of
Dirty. Dirty.
What is the antonym of okay, children, now nobody is going to speak. Everybody will type in the chat box and let me count how many answers I get in the chat box. All of you know how to type in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am. I am new.
Yes.
How to
All of
type
you.
in the chat box.
Now let's see. Now let's see how nice you can be and how many of you type the answer. Then the next is, what is the antonym of cheap?
cheap. हाँ, एक मम्मा एक चार्जर मुझे दे देना, ठीक है? मुझे बहुत जरूरत पड़ती है.
Atharv Gupta, keep your mic off.
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice. I've got answers from so many students. Very good. Then next you're going to type the antonym of achieve. Type the antonym of achieve.
हाँ, लड़के वाले कमरे में से लड़के वाले कमरे में आ जाएगी वो बताओ। हाँ, वहाँ बहुत सारे नैना देवी मंदिर होते हैं। हाँ, पहाड़ों पे नैना देवी मंदिर ही क्यों होते हैं?
मैम द क्लास
हर
इज
जगह होते हैं वो,
ओवर।
हर जगह। नैना देवी मंदिर, नैना पूरे तुम देखना नैनीताल में, यानी कितने होंगे नैना देवी मंदिर।
एक्सपेंसिव।
Only 5 minutes left.
देवियों का ही मंदिर ज्यादा है पहाड़ों पे। मैंने दीदी से पूछा, कह रहे चला लेते हैं लेकिन वो चलाएंगे नहीं, मतलब ऐसी कभी कह रहा भैया तो कुछ और ही कह रहा है, पता नहीं, कह रहा सामने से कुछ आ गया, हमें होटल नहीं मिला। ये बताओ आजकल के जमाने में किसी होटल नहीं मिलेगा, मोबाइल पे लगा दो समय सबको मिल जाता है। तो वही मामा से बात हुई होगी, ड्राइवर कर देंगे, अपनी बस गाड़ी स्टैंड तक पहुंचानी है। अरे मम्मी ये बताओ, तुमने गाड़ी ड्राइवर मिल जाएंगे?
मैम व्हाट इज द
कोई
नेक्स्ट
तो
वन?
मिलेगा नहीं। या तो सब ऐसा करो कि बस में चलो, सब कहेंगे कि कैंसिल कर रहे हैं मामा, तो सब परेशान कर रहे हैं मामा, कहेंगे लो नैनीताल कर दो, है सब चाला चला रहे हैं हमें। ये है कि हमें मजबूरी में जाना पड़ता है, गाड़ी में जल्दी निकलना है, हमारे चक्कर में बस थोड़ी वहां से चल देगी 6 बजे।
मैम लूज कैन बी। मैम व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट
Kunal
वन?
Patel, whose mic is on? I don't understand. Then we have, what is the antonym of deep? Hurry up and type in the chat box. Everybody put your mics on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes
Deep.
मैम।
What? Yes. Put your mic off and type in the chat box. Deep.
मैं
Deep.
कोई अगर बात बनी बिगड़ी कोई किसी की भी है तो सब मामा की जान खाएंगे।
मैम व्हाट इज द वर्ड?
D-E-E-P. Deep. Deep. Deep water.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम देयर आर 63 मैसेज।
गाड़ी चलाने में आप 40-60 से ऊपर जाओ।
वहाँ से हाईवे नहीं बन गया है, कितना अच्छा रोड बन गया। मम्मी कह रही थी कहाँ हाईवे, कुमकुम दीदी पिछली बार तो हम गए थे,
कौन सी
कुमकुम दीदी से बात तो हम गए, कुमकुम दीदी उससे पहले गई थी।
Deep shallow. Very nice. Very nice, children. All answers are coming correct. Abhineet, Akshat, Kunal, Minha. Then we have answers.
मम्मी अलग है, हमें आकाश भी ले गया कहाँ से नचा के।
Akshaj, Arkan, Anmol, Pratyaksh, Yatharth, Bhavya.
बार-बार वो बोलना। हाँ, इसकी
Kunal,
रोड है।
yes, beta. Say Kunal Patel. Now, beta, you have to put yourself on mute. Yes. Manika, say.
मैम
Yes, beta.
मैम कॉपी वर्क इज नॉट।
Copy work is not what?
मैम हमें कॉपी वर्क नहीं करना है।
Beta, you have to do. Have you not written these words in your copy? Have you not written? You have to write all these words in your copy. And if you don't have a copy right now, you can write on a rough page or in your rough copies. And then you can copy them later. Is it clear now?
Yes ma'am.
Very good.
Yes ma'am.
Very nice. Then the next word is blunt. What is the antonym of blunt?
Blunt.
Yes, blunt.
Ma'am blunt.
Blunt,
Ma'am blunt.
blunt, blunt, blunt.
Ma'am blunt sharp.
Yes, blunt, sharp. Very nice.
Blunt.